Plastic bottle perforator machine is designed to create holes or perforations in plastic bottles, making bottles easier to process in recycling facilities by creating holes that allow for air and fluid to escape. After removing the air, liquid, it will be easy in recycling and baling system. PVC conveyor belt. Automatic feeding by PVC conveyor belt and inverter control. Save manual, high efficiency. Even complete bottle, it also can feed in machine directly and easy pattern, no need manual usage. Vertical hardened gear reducer, dual motor and shaft design, high quality, stable operation, low failure rate. Waste bottle after punching, no broken in bottle, just smaller holes for liquid fast out. Plastic bottle perforator machine blade have different design. It depends on bottle size. The blade by bolt fixed it. When broken, it can fast change it for maintenance. Different size, blade the angle, length all different. Machine blade use hard alloy, anti-wear, using long time. We also can install a water tank at the bottom for customers and discharge the water into a water pump. Automatic control system, automatic spindle rotation, forward and reverse rotation, no clocking. About the automatic perforator machine, we have different capacity, from 1,000 to 10,000. This is machine. It also can punch milk bottle, milk bags, juice bottle, paper bottle, shampoo bottle, and so on. After perforator machine, we put the material to automatic baling machine directly. More detailed discussion. Let's start with one of your emails.